Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another movie. And this time we're doing a little unboxing. So we're just going to take out a little knife here. And we're gonna start to cut this baby open. And I know you all have read the description. But this could look like a Ford Bronco. But it's not. It's more little packages. Oh, it's so many packages. Oh, so many packages. Okay, there are really, actually, a lot more packages than I thought. So let's just start to Google. And one last. We also got a little neat baggie. So probably this will fit inside of this later. I hope, because this is quite a big bag. Okay. And there's no instructions or anything, it's just like a lot of small packages. Oh, this is a lamp. Really? Oh my god, that's a huge lamp, man. That's a really huge lamp. Look at that. Now we're gonna get some lights up in here. So we are using like working lights there and there. Now the purple light is on for the plants, but I don't have the controller. It's over here. The controller and shut it off. Maybe it will be some better lights. Okay, nice. That's one lamp. Then I guess this is lamp number 2. And lampos number 2. So I think these two are pretty much the same. Wait. What's this? What is this? Is this? It is a third lamp. Barely remember what order. What? So we're gonna have 3 lights. Okay, 3 lights. So you're really gonna see me. I'm not gonna see you, but you are definitely gonna see me. Okay, so there's like 3 opposites of everything and 1 extra thing. Magic. Well, just starts to open. Oh, what is this? This is like the front of the lamp, I think. Here's an umbrella. That's one umbrella. Nice. And then the lamp is going inside of there. So here is a number 1. Then these must be the tripods. Twist this to get it. Yeah. Nice. 1. So there should be like 3 of those. 2. Oh yeah, maybe that's like the extra arm for here, I think. So it's like IKEA, but you can't really do shit. So I'm not really sure. Nice. So that's starting to look pretty good. So then you just take them and push them in, and they will flip out like that. Like that, you see? And this one is going to be mounted as such.
Den var för lång, alltså hjulen var sjukt mycket, bara på 1 millimeter var det. Men det är de jag har tänkt att köpa länge.
Okay, so this only took like an hour, but I'm gonna shorten it down for you guys. You're not gonna have to like watch a whole hour of this. I don't know why I put this here, but it's a beautiful car. It sure is. So I'm just gonna put my stuff away. Always keep organized, guys. If you keep organized, your mind won't be fucked up. Oh, so I just want to show you how it looks with my new lights. And this is my old lights, and this is how I look with my old lights on. It doesn't show much. You have seen this a lot before. So I'm gonna shut off that one, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks also with the GoPro, because I'm really curious about how it's gonna look on the GoPro. So I just wanna put you right here. Close it off, because this will down, because the backlights will come up. So this is how it looks with the old lights. Like this. Yeah. See the car too. So now you see the car, I hope. And me and everything. So now I'm gonna shut off the old lights. Yeah. Yeah. And on with the new lights. So this takes a little while, so we're just gonna wait. There's a lot of difference here, I can really tell. And the new lights are like, they're not right in my face either. So this is really comfortable light I can work with, and I think everything is like showing much better now. I've been thinking about maybe getting a light. I don't know, what do you think? What do you think, GoPro? Is it better? Is it worse? I think it's better. I haven't seen. So, thank you for watching this little unboxing, and hope you enjoyed the new light. And in a few days, I think we'll be seeing a Bronco right here. And I'm really excited about that, so see you guys soon. Goodbye.